Hi guys, Dan here, and welcome to another episode of This Week in Cosplay, this time featuring a review. A review of the Mandalorian V2 Beskar flight suit from Leather Fashion Valley. I have done a review of this suit in the past, but that was the last version of the suit. Welcome, the V2. Yes, this is my cape from my shop, Gotham Garment Supply, on here in the Screen Accurate Boiled Wool. Inquire for more, but the rest of this that you see here is all Leather Fashion Valley. And this was a while in the making and a lot of revisions, so it's way different from the last time we've seen these flight suits in use in my last videos or even in photos before. This is the first of its kind, and we're gonna break it down. So, I've taken the cape off so I could start by showing you guys these awesome shoulder straps that they've gone and put on these. We had some really good looks in season 2 of the shoulder straps finally, so they've gone ahead and amended their shoulder straps to be more like the show, featuring the leather and the top stitching coming in at a V instead of just a single strap for the flak vest. The flak vest is still appropriately patterned and in a matching color to the new color of the flight suit with gray threads rather than white. These are those more bluey gray yet light threads that really kind of pick up that season 2 tone that we know and love. And I'm just so jazzed about it. These look fantastic. The color of the suit is really brilliantly done. It used to be more of like a brown, but this is more of a cinnamon brown that actually has more of these undertones that can be extrapolated out of it. If you were to weather this in a nice gray, you'd get something very visually matching to the screen used. So guys, another cool new thing on this suit that we saw by mistake in one of the last episodes of season 2 were the ribbed knit sleeves on the actual model when they forgot to put a gauntlet on. But we have the ribbed knit sleeve here on the new one. The sleeve patterns have been amended so that the bicep cuff sits a little higher. It was around here before, and some of these shapes are different now to match the show. Also, you're going to see when I put this on, but it's actually got the black underarm gussets of spandex so that your arms can move. This is a huge game changer because not only does it match the screen, but its movement is a dream in this thing. This thing fits perfectly. Biggest innovation we have here is the leather cummerbund. The leather cummerbund is in a nice gray that has just a slight undertone of blue that's picked up in certain lights as per the show, but it is a cool gray with an embossed leather outer with a foam insert on the inside. This was just beautifully done and stitched to the cummerbund so it doesn't come off, but you still have that classic cummerbund going around, making this really complete. It's got that season 2 shape. It just fits the part brilliantly, so when your belt is going across it, there's not too much sharpness here or too little so that it looks, not correct. So guys, I'm gonna put this on real quick and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, so I am now in the suit, as you can see, and this thing fits me perfectly. I'm so happy with the fit of the suit. The cuff sleeves are brilliant, comfortable, and when they're in my gloves, they fit perfectly too. As you can see, the sleeve now fits me properly. The cummerbund suits me well. It sits nice and flat against the body, and everything, even the neck, matches up beautifully. If you need to see how to take your measurements so that your suit could fit like mine, I do have a how to take your measurements video specifically for Leather Fashion Valley if you check on my channel. So this suit is absolutely stunning as it pertains to fit. The legs were also overhauled as well as far as their pattern to complete themselves with a patch style knee. Instead of just the top stitching that was going down all the way to the bottom of the legs, this now has the actual patch that should be there, and the inner thighs are patched as well instead of just being another panel with top stitching. It's now completely accurate from the front to the back with the straps. Everything just sits together nicely, as you can see. to create a great look. And like I said before, the underarm black gussets are a dream. This is unprecedentedly great movement. I didn't know how much movement this would give me. I thought maybe just a little bit here and there, but I really feel like I'm in an everyday, t-shirt when I'm in this now, because the movement is just so free that I could just, do anything. Get something off my back, get the spear off the back, if you ordered one of the JJ Industries spears. But this thing is absolutely lovely. They did a beautiful job. I hope you guys grab one too, because I hate for anyone to miss out on this. This is a really, really special kit. It is probably one of the most accurate out there, complete with those underarm gussets and these unseen details, and just how they update these suits is just outstanding. You don't see this kind of customer care very often, as far as really diving deep into the accuracy of these suits and being committed to bringing that next change and that next change and that next change. And Leather Fashion Valley does that in spades. Thank you, Leather Fashion Valley. I love my suit, and I'm going to wear this for a lot of troops to come. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed your time with me. Please like, comment, subscribe, do anything that you guys do. Ding the bell for notifications, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.